Alright guys, here we go. DC Air Raiders, week 17. It's a playoff play-in versus the Yaks in league. We're facing the Vikings. We're 8-7. Frosty White Unis. Let's go. I'm coming in just under the wire here. I have to play, I think, 4 games in a half an hour. Over the top to Lowry for 11. Screen to Gaines. I'm going to step out there by accident. Ooh, Clark slips the first defender. He's pretty strong. Oof. Gaines is going to jump up and get it at the 9-yard line. Using that sideline to our advantage here. Oh man, I just trying to dive in with him. Down at the goal line. Touchdown. Here we go. Incomplete pass. Oof. 18 yards for Clark. Steve Clark. Bottom of your screen. Gaines picks up 14. Oh. One toe across the line. Oh, that was a really bad throw. That one, a bit bitter. I want the ball back. Monroe. Threw it into double coverage. I was like, pick. But no, he came away with it. Gains for 2. Don't use up the whole... Yeah, Monroe. That's 2 interceptions on 2 drives. Leaving us with about 8 seconds to do what we can do. Oh, and of course, Lowry gets it. What the heck? End of half. Jesus Louise. Minnesota kicks it off. That was hilarious. Steve Clark fighting for that first down. Looking at him. He's not there. We're going to throw it away. Everyone was covered. Oof. Spencer for 1 yard. We're going to pick up the first and dive right on our own face because we don't want to cough up the ball like we did at the end of the half, do we, Lowry? Not that the play was really going anywhere, but... Lowry adjusts and gets the touchdown for us. Nice. Come on. It's going to be the 4th quarter. Spencer's wide open. He's a big boy. Oh. Jesus, stop him. Come on. Yeah. What should I do? Should I go for the 24 points slowly or quickly? How fast can I get down there anyway? I was pretty far in my own. Oh, Jesus. Let's take the, what's it going to be? 24 points for that playoff against Yaks. Jeez. I'm gonna start dinking and dunking, letting that clock run out. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do because, like, am I even going to get the ball back? Or do you have to go all in to, like, maybe get the extra points because it is playoffs and play now or don't play? My indecisiveness may... Yeah, they're going to use up all the time anyway. So, I was going to say maybe my indecisiveness is going to wreck me, but... Alright, so 24 points there. Week 17 playing against Yaks. Yaks, good luck, man. I was like a really, like... I don't know. I forget what I was saying. I was reading something on my computer. He did have a great game. Cage with the great game. One pick, 285 yards. Felt like more. I don't know. And we're playing against Bartlett here in our first playoff game. They're 10-6. We're going to switch them over to a different uniform so we can decipher who's who. Bartlett's going to kick it away. Let's go. Let's go. 15 yards, Spencer. Oof, tried to throw it down there to Spencer again. Couldn't quite get my fingers where I wanted them. We're going to reset the downs with that little dunk. To Clark, who's got wheels. What a bad, I felt it. It was bad coming off my hand. Gaines wants it. Lowry kind of picked off that pass from his own teammate. That's my bad, though. We're going to dive in with Cage there. First score of the first quarter. Ooh, Lowry's just going to knock the defender right over on that two-point play. I'm going to kick a field goal for 3. Spencer slips it. Great block down there from Gaines. Lowry's going to come away with that pass. He's looking for Clark. Oof. Gaines comes away with it, but there was a pile of guys there. Way too far in the comeback. Underthrown horribly. End of first quarter. Ooh, Cage wanted it. Pulled down just outside the goal line. Oof. Tick tock, tick tock. Cage on his second try of the drive. Down here on this end. Oh my god. Gonna throw it to the dirt. We're gonna get the ball back again before the half. Ooh, I thought I was gonna get a block there from Spencer. Gains for 14. Clark up the sideline, 25-20. Picks up 18. Oh, I'm surprised they didn't decide that was a pick. Cage down the middle of the pitch. 6 points. Big touchdown here in the playoffs. Kind of moving at a faster pace. Score bigger score, or don't score at all here in the playoffs. You know, I'm going to throw that one away. I'm also really cutting it close with like the actual submission. Playing my games late. Eight seconds on the 12-yard line. We're going to punch it in here with Gaines. Nice. I wanted one more TD before the half. Almost screwed up that 2-pointer too. Oh me, oh my. End of the first half. Bartlett kicks it away to us. Gains for 17. Finds himself at the middle of the field. Just shy of the 50-yard line. Some of these routes for Clark, who's like a smidge faster, would be great. Gains right there, though, for 17 more yards. Great throw, great catch. Stiff arm from Spencer. Lowry's going to catch it over the middle for 12 yards. We're cruising. Let's see what Cage can do. And what he can do is punch it in for 6, 8-yard touchdown. Gains for 2. Wow, I wish this was my week 17. Spencer, like a bat out of hell. Oof. Clark wants it. Couple of huge plays almost back-to-back from Clark. Last submission. Really great pickup this season. He's been great. Speak of the devil. 20-yard touchdown. And the other side of the blade there, Gains for 2 points. Lowry's down there. He hustled his way. He's not known for his speed. Gains down the sideline, picks up 12, resets the downs. Oof. showing his muscle. Can he punch it in? Dive. 14 yards. Touchdown. Ike Gaines. Ooh, almost got Malcolm Butlered there. Let's do it one more time, guys. I don't think I've ever put up 60 in league. For real talk, guys. If you've been following the team. Gonna throw it away. I got plenty of time on the clock. No one was really open. I didn't want to force anything. Let's see if we can break some new ground on a 60 point differential here in the playoffs. And we're an ultra too. These are ultra playoffs. Moved up a league. And who else but Mr. Gaines, who's having a hell of a game. Cage walks it in for 2. I guess it's actually going to be 59 points. Math is not my strong suit. But I'll take it. I'll take 59 points. That definitely my best score ever. It's against the Hawks, who are actually, I think they're like the Cowboys or something in my team edit. But Hawks is my boy. So it's funny that I crushed him. Let's praise Spence. Hell of a game. Paradis with some XP. Yeah, who is... Yeah, that's Bartlett was the Cowboys. Northwest Kings in the championship. Carolina, Atlanta, Tampa Bay. That's New Orleans. They can have their black will be frosty white. Let's go. Slips them. 16 yards to start the game. Clark's an animal. Knocks him over. They tag team that defender, beat him up real bad down there at the bottom of the screen. Clark, 11 yards. Great catch. And great run. That's how that play's supposed to look. And it can go a lot better and it can go a lot worse, but that's how it's supposed to look. Every time. Steve Clark, 12-yard touchdown. Deja vu for 2. It's the deja vu play. Big interception. Oof. Oh, when he busts through that pile of dudes for another touchdown. Deja vu for 2. Let's go. And they're going to punch it in. Put up 6. Ooh. Come away with it, Gaines. Yes. How exciting. Steve Clark is going to reset the downs. He's a bad man. Deja vu to reset the downs. Big tackle from behind on Spence. Touchdown. 2 points. Pay attention. I'm trying to look at something on Discord. Ooh. All right. Oof, I knew he was going to step out. I'm going to get around him and stop the clock. Check down to Lowry. I was actually looking at Cage, but somebody catch it. Contested ball, Gaines comes down with it, picks up 11. Touchdown. What are they gonna do? They're gonna score. And we're gonna score too. One more time. NFC Championship. That's how it should look every time, guys. Do the same thing up top, but go the other way with it. We lost tunes, but it's fine. 22 seconds, 21-20 left in the game. Gonna let Cage punch it in. And that should do it. Gonna put up 24 on Northwest Kings, aka the Saints, in the NFC Championship. You saw it here first. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna actually break up the video so I have just a championship game and also submit my scores for my other league. So as always, thanks for watching, and remember to tune in for, again, Super Bowl. Next video. And go be out.